Done.
Hi, my name is Aaryan Mansukhani. I'm in 5th grade and I have made this rock paper scissors app using the Tkinter module. So I've used Tkinter to make this and also random. So first I've made giant functions to define the and functions inside the functions to define the buttons for rock paper and scissors and how they work, what they do, and like some other stuff like the next button like sort of makes the next round. The end button ends the game. So, and after that there's the same thing for paper and there's the same thing for scissors. And after that down here there's, I guess, really not much. It's just like this and then all three buttons. So if I run it and show you, it would be this. So let's say I pick rock, I pick scissors, and then this happened. Next round, I pick scissors, I pick rock, yeah, I won. I pick paper, I pick scissors, yeah, I win. Right? So end round, my score is 1 and your score is 2. Oh man, you won. And that's not the only thing. If I open my file and go down here to where it is, let's see, here it is, and then open this file, this comes. The score is 2-1. And in this, my score is 1 and your score is 2. 2-1.
Good, Aaron. Good. So you are using file handling too. You have saved the score as well as you are showing the end result, right?
Yep, yep.
So, good project. Good project. Well done.
Thank
Good.
you.